Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Ford Bronco Big Bend in orange metallic. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 200 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, split folding rear seats, 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number PT4001.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.